integrate limits 1 to 3 dx by x square into x plus 1. So in this question we have dx by x square into x plus 1. So you can see the denominators are in factors. When denominators are in factors and in the numerator nothing or just linear function, okay, here they have given only dx and into 1, or sometime they are given only linear function, means x power 1. So for that we will use integration by fraction, integration by fraction. Fraction integration we will use. So the what method we have to use? The question like 1 by x square into x plus 1, that we can write in the form of a by x in plus b by x square plus c by x plus 1. So one function is square here, other function is linear. So square function, now first you have to make it linear like x only, then you have to write the square function, then the third function, okay. So a by x plus b by x square plus c by x plus 1, like that you can write these given terms. 1 by x square into x plus 1. Okay, now take the LCM at the right side. So right side, if you take the LCM, here is only x square and x plus 1. So x square into x plus 1 will be our LCM. So then you have to simplify. So a denominator is x, so LCM is x square. So 1x will multiply by a, also x plus 1 is also multiplied by a. So a into x plus 1. Now plus b, so b denominator x square, so only x plus 1 we have to multiply here. So b into x plus 1, then plus c, so c's denominator is x plus 1, so we have to multiply by x square, so we multiplied by x square. So this is the solving part. So after that further we have to solve. So now you can see here denominator and here denominator is same, so we can cancel out those denominators. So what is left? LHS only 1 and RHS, if you multiply these two things, now a into x is ax, then ax into x is ax square, again ax into 1 is ax, plus b into x is bx, plus b into 1 is plus b, and plus c into x square is cx square. This thing we will get. Now we will find the value of a, b and c. So how to get those values? We have to compare the coefficients here. So you can see the x square coefficient, here also x square coefficient, and here x square coefficient in the left hand side nothing, 0. Okay, so compare the coefficient of x square, here is 0 and here what will come? A plus c, x square take common, so a plus c. So a plus c equals to 0, that is one of the equation. Now second, for second equation, compare the coefficients of x only. So see here x and also here x. So taking x common, a plus b will be in the bracket, okay. And here x coefficient is nothing in the left side because only 1 we have, that is constant term only. So again I wrote 0 only. So 0 equals to a plus b. This is our second equation. Now go to the third one. Now you have to compare the constants here. So constant in a LHS is 1 only, and RHS without x term is only b. So this is our constant term in RHS. So b equals to 1. This is our from the third equation we got b value. Now this b value we will put in this second equation, a plus b equals to 0. So a value we will get -1. Then this a minus 1 value we will get here in the first equation. So a plus c equals to 0. So a value -1. So c value we will get +1. So a value is -1, b value is 1 and c value is 1. Now these value we have to substitute in the question. So what we supposed? We supposed the question is equals to a by x plus b by x square plus c by x plus 1. So in that we have to substitute. So dx by x square into x plus 1, we can write a, I wrote a by x only. So a value I got -1. A value we got -1. So minus I took it out and 1 I wrote here. So it is 1 by x plus, then I wrote b by x square. So b value we got 1. So I wrote 1 by x square only. Then I wrote c by x plus 1. So c value again 1 only. So 1 by x plus 1. This is our first step for integration. Now we have to integrate. Minus sign will be like that only, and 1 by x is what? Log x only. So 1 by x is log x only. Then 1 by okay, we'll do one thing first. I'll clear this the step above. So 1 by x I just wrote like that only. Now 1 by x square, that means x power minus 2 I can write, and 1 by x plus 1 I wrote like that only. Now see, 1 by x is integration is log x only, so I wrote log x. Then x power minus 2, put the power formula from integration, that is integration of x power n will be x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1, down also minus 2 plus 1, so you'll get x power minus 1 by minus 1, and then 1 by x plus 1, that is log x plus 1 only. Now now put the limits. Okay, we got our answer, we integrated. Now put the limits. So higher limit minus lower limit we have to do. So higher limit is 3 and lower limit is 0. So wherever x has come, we have to substitute with 3, and then for lower limit minus lower limit, we have to substitute x with 1. So log minus I kept out like that only. Log x means log 3, then minus lower limit log 1. Then this minus I took it out. Okay, and then x power minus 1, so means 3 power minus 1, because higher limit is 3, minus 1 power minus 1, because 1 is lower limit. Then plus log x plus 1, so higher limit 3, so log 3 plus 1, which is log 4, so this is log 4, and then minus lower limit log 1 plus 1, which is log 2. Okay, now the next step, minus will be like that only. So log 3 will be log 3 only, minus log 1 value is always 0, so log 1 is 0, minus 1 like that only. 3 power negative 1 we can write 1 by 3, and minus 1 power minus 1 we can write just 1. Then plus log 4 minus log 2 is left. So log 4 I can write log 2 power 2. In the logarithm now we have one property, if log m power n, so I can write n log m, n log m. So if n log m we have, then we can write a log m power n. So that's what I wrote. This 4 now, first I wrote 2 power 2. First this log 4 no, I wrote 2 power 2. Okay. So minus log 2. So property I have not applied here, just I wrote 4 in terms of 2 power 2 only. Next step I will apply that property. Okay, chalo. So the next thing is, now this minus sign I will multiply by this log 3, so it will be negative log 3. Then this 1 by 3 minus 1, if you solve you will get minus 2 by 3, so that minus and minus plus 2 by 3 you will get. And then this now you apply that property, log 2, this log m power n will be n log m, so this 2 will come in the front and log 2 will come here, minus log 2 as it is. Then minus log 3, minus into minus plus 2 by 3, then plus 2 log 2 minus log 2, 2 log 2 minus 1 log 2 is just log 2 only, 2 log 2 minus 1 log 2 is just 1 log 2 only. Then log this 2 by 3 I wrote here, and what is left here, log 2 minus log 3. See, log 2 minus log 3 is left. So one another property we have for log m minus log n will be log m by n. So that only I used, log 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is our final answer.